It's important that your slides remain consistent throughout the presentation. This usually means paying close attention to the fonts we use, our bullets, and the positioning of our text and graphics. A slight change between slides can cause your audience to break concentration, and subconsciously, it will convey unprofessionalism and lower the confidence level your audience has in you. PowerPoint has a variety of layout and alignment tools to save you a lot of time, so let's try them out. We'll begin with resetting slides. This slideshow, because it was pieced together from multiple slideshows, contains a jarring number of layouts, templates, and backgrounds. Even the colors don't match. I'm going to reset everything back to the basics. Moving to slide number 9, I'll click on Fulfillment. All I have to do is click on the Reset button to reset the slide back to its basic layout and formatting. Let me repeat this again with the Warehouse Location slide number 10. Watch again as I click Reset. This slide now perfectly matches the default layout of all of my other slides. I could go through my entire presentation clicking Reset on every single slide, and it wouldn't hurt. But to be a little bit more efficient, I'm going to select every single slide by clicking on the thumbnail on the left, pressing Ctrl-A to select them all, and then clicking Reset to reset them all in one shot. I can glance now at slide 13, which has been reset, and if I look down at customer service, I won't see that these have been changed because they're still using the template that they were imported with. But all of my other slides are now matching. With our slides reset and our content preserved, we can begin making one unified presentation that looks fantastic. Let's move on to layouts. We can use a number of the built-in layouts to help position our existing text in a variety of ways and still maintain consistency. For example, let's look at the slide in sales that talks about our competitors. It shows the differences between us and music makers. There's a great layout called Comparison, which is perfect for this type of content. With this slide selected, I'll pull down the Layout menu found in the Home tab. We're currently on the Title and Content layout, but I'm going to switch to the Comparison layout. This layout adds 3 additional text boxes, 2 here for the headings, and another one here to match the one here. I'm going to copy and paste my content over. Cut with Ctrl-X, paste with Ctrl-V. I'll select the text, and I'll bump them to the left with the Decrease List Level button. I'll take Music Makers, cut it away, and add it here. Do the same with Us, add it here, and now I'll delete what I don't need. Like before, I'll select these lines here and promote them up one level. When I click away, I can see a much easier to read slide. Moving back to Fulfillment, we have a slide here that's waiting for our new warehouse photo. If we use the existing layout, Title and Content, and add our picture, the slide only fills the available text holder area. If we use the existing layout and click to add a picture, that picture only fills the available space. Instead, let's change our layout again. One option is on the far right, Content with Caption. Another one, Picture with Caption. This might look a little bit nicer. We could also forsake the layout feature entirely. I'm going to pull down Layout one more time and simply choose Blank. This gets rid of all placeholders and allows me to do anything I want with the content on the screen. With the picture selected, I'll send it to the background, and I'll take my text and move it somewhere else. The text is still a little hard to read, but we'll fix that in Chapter 4. At first, it may seem like a lot of work to reset all the slides to change their layouts. Let's try this one more time with slide number 3, the President's Message. I'll select the slide and change the layout to the 2-column layout called To Content. Like I did earlier, I'll copy and paste the content that I want to move. Although the text is a little bit big, this is looking much better already. At first, it may seem like a lot of work to reset all of these slides only to change their layouts, but I can't stress enough how important consistency is. Don't forget that layouts can be customized or added to your slideshow as well, and I'll show you how to do that in Chapter 4. But for now, let's move on to pictures.